Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking a journey to the lands of New Zealand through the power of accents. I am here to guide you on how to use a New Zealand accent voiceover on Pictory. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, ensure you are logged into your Pictory account. Head over to the My Project section and open up the project where you are ready to infuse a New Zealand accent. Now, direct your gaze to the left side of the screen. Look for Audio tab, that's where the magic begins. Give it a click. Next up, let's zoom in on the voiceover option. Give it a tap, and then give it a scroll, and look for the section in English New Zealand. Here's where the beauty unfolds. Listen to the soothing tones of a New Zealand female accent. Have a go at it. Select a voice that resonates with your project's spirit. Simple as that. So, remember, whenever you're longing for the New Zealand vibe, just navigate to Pictory's audio section, add a sprinkle of English New Zealand charm, and watch your project take flight. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.